Welcome to DJ's Pristine Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Volkswagen Tiguan. Absolutely superb condition with a very comprehensive service history. It's got a lot of extras. We've got the front park distance control, finished in glacier white. The car does not look or drive anywhere like it's an age or more. It's got the lovely protectors, at the doors, rear park distance control, 2-litre TDI, twin exhaust. I'm really struggling to show any marks on it for its age. No scuffs on the bumper, mirrors, absolutely stunning condition. Boot area is all lovely. Lovely velour seats, mats, electric windows, electric mirrors, no wear on the seat bolsters. Low mileage really, 415 miles. I'll just start it up for you. Seats, absolutely lovely. Multifunction steering wheel. Aircon's nice and cold. Satellite navigation. Park distance control all round. DAB radio as well. Media pack. Phone connectivity. Yep, that aircon's lovely. City driving mode, 6-speed gearbox, auto headlights, centre armrest with media pack, really nice high-spec Tiguan. DJH full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. For quite any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.